So this is the process of how we clear the topsoil of debris so we can use in the planters. Clean it out, and we're left with this clean and perfectly usable topsoil. We remove all the leaves, roots, big rocks. Okay, so we got some cabbage planted, some sweet corn. What is that at the end? Sweet potato? Sweet potato. We got tomatoes over here, peppers over there. We got some green beans over there, some more cabbage in the back. And here we have, oh yeah, and broccoli. And here we have Sandra watering the newly planted vegetables. Oh, and you're doing the pee-pee dance. Oh, okay.